Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing. So today I'm going to tell you that how you can use a private browsing on iPad or any iPhone. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I need to install the Google Chrome. So while I'm installing, what you can do, you can go ahead and press the subscribe button so you would know that whenever I'm going to post a video, you will get the notification about that. So as soon as I install the Google Chrome, I'm gonna open it, and the best thing to use a browser is you can go into the option and you can click on the new incognito tab. So whatever you're going to do in this video, it's actually gonna be private. So no one is gonna, it's not gonna store any history or any data into your iPad. So whatever I do over here, like I open a lot of stuff like yahoo.com. So I open like hotmail.com, just like this. So everything is here. It's not gonna like save as any storage history, browser history, or web history. So it's totally private, so you can go over here and start your own regular browsing. So this is actually iOS 16, and that's what I just installed. And the benefit of this is like whenever you're using someone else's iPad or someone else's iPhone, you want to use something for like browsing something for your purpose, just go ahead and use the incognito window. It's not going to store anything, and you should be fine on that note. Like if you giving him or her like iPad or iPhone back, you don't need to worry about anything, because it's private browsing. Nothing is going to be in the history, so no one is going to know about it. So what did you do, and why, if you store any password, so it's not going to store any password either. So that's called like private browsing. In Google Chrome, you can also use private browsing on like Safari. So you can go over here in options on the left and go into private, so you can do the private browsing in Safari too. So that's all you need to use for like private browsing or incognito window, if you want to use that one. So that's it, and that's all. Please go ahead and subscribe my channel, and that's it for the day. Have a good one. Bye.